What's up, and welcome back to the channel and to another handyman video. I know it's been a long while since I posted a video here on the channel. That's simply because I didn't have any project to film. But wait no more, handyman T is back in business. This time we are in the bathroom because we're going to do some work in here to refresh the whole thing up. I'm going to replace the mirror cabinet, the sink, and then install a new closet against the other wall, so we have more storage room and also some drawers. This is going to look much better than the way it looks now when it's done. The sink is off. Mirror cupboard has been gone for a while now. In order to speed things up, I decided to do some magic instead. Don't try this at home. What? Oh no, that's not it. Ta-da! Oh yeah. God damn, we in bullshit. That's perfect. Now it's time for the final installation of the sink. Need to apply some silicone underneath it and then put it in position. Since these bolts right here on the faucet are smaller than the ones down there coming from the water hose, I have to install an adapter in between to make it fit. So that's what I'm about to do now. This is the adapter. The smaller one is what I have now. The bigger one is down there. And I need 2 of them. Sealing. Put one inside as well. O-ring. Holders. Something like that, and do the connecting down below. That one remains.
Så ja. Måste jobba ergonomiskt då. Låta lite på YouTube. Fab the electrician is back again.
Working.
Han är typ... Så tidigt.
Det syns ändå inte.
Ja, men då.
Men du hörs så på den.
Hej och välkomna till en ny video. Idag kommer jag göra en handy-mant-video.
Vad är det då?
Jaha!
And here is the finished work. Now that it's all done, I would like to take a few moments to appreciate some of the help I've been given to make this project a realization. I would like to give thanks to Fab Monza, the electrician, for making his second appearance here on the channel. Thank you a lot. Appreciate the help. I would also like to thank Niklas and Tobbe at Röret for hooking me up with the plumbing work. I wouldn't make this without you guys, especially you, Tobbe. Thank you. And also, I would like to give a thanks to Sarah's colleague at Hårsnickeriet for hooking me up with that nicely cut holes. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, a big thanks to you all. I wouldn't make it without you. I appreciate you a lot, and thanks once again. And with that, we are out. Peace.